Hey everyone, my name is Ethan John Jimenez. For YouTube video, I got stuffed toy collection and toys. Got many. Put it here. And now, let's begin stuffed toy collection. This is Smiley. It's happy. Really nice that Smiley. It's happy. Yes, it's Smiley is happy. Got Patrick is Patrick Star. Really nice that Patrick from Nickelodeon. Patrick. We got SpongeBob. This is SpongeBob SquarePants stuffed toy. Really nice that stuffed toy. Stuffed toy is SpongeBob. Minions. Yes, it's Minions stuffed toy. Really nice that Minion stuffed toy. Despicable. Despicable Me. Despicable Me. Minions from the movie. That's Minion stuffed toy. Not stuffed toy. It's Frozen. Elsa. Yes, it's not a stuffed toy. It's Frozen Elsa. Really nice that Elsa for Frozen. It's for girls. Oh, a new stuffed toy is Rabbit. It's Bunny Rabbit. Really nice that Bunny Rabbit for stuffed toy. Rabbit for hug stuffed toy. Hi, it's Bunny Rabbit. And the last but not least is SpongeBob. Got more SpongeBob. The defense. Yes, the defense of SpongeBob. I got two SpongeBobs from Nickelodeon's SpongeBob SquarePants. Very expensive that SpongeBob stuffed toy. And that's stuffed toy collection. Want more? Here's another. Last is many toys. This is McDonald's Happy Meal box. Yes, it's McDonald's Happy Meal. Happy Meal McDonald's. McDonald's Happy Meal. Move to the music. Launch a rocket. Create a masterpiece. Happy Studio. I got a new Happy Meal toy. Hot Wheels. Yes, it's Hot Wheels. Winning formula. That's the box of Happy Meal. I got many toys. Beyblade. Really nice that Beyblade for Metal Fight Beyblade. There's Chinga Beyblade. Yes, I like that Chinga Beyblade. It's a top. I got a new Beyblade is Light Launcher Beyblade. I like that Beyblade for Metal Fight. Beyblade just like Pegasus Beyblade. No, Galaxy Pegasus, Libra Beyblade, Vulcan Horusius, and Beyblade Earth Eagle. No Pegasus, it's sold out. Nickelodeon's SpongeBob Walkie-Talkie. It's brand new, that SpongeBob Walkie-Talkie. Let's see. Not talking for walkie-talkie. There's the battery here. Oh, I got a new Disney Pixar Cars Lightning McQueen. I like that Lightning McQueen for Cars movie. Lightning McQueen, ka-chow! Mac, really nice that Mac truck for Cars movie. Yes, it's Mac. We got Lightning McQueen top. It's nice that Lightning McQueen top. We got Cars 2 Lightning McQueen control. We got Lightning McQueen, Luigi, and Fillmore. And the last toy is Smurfette. Really nice that Smurfette for the Smurfs 2. And Minions toy. Vivali. Yes, it's Vivali Minion toy. It's very cool, that toy collection. I love Joy that the most. Now that is stuffed toy collection. Now that is stuffed toy collection and many toys for toy collection. I like that stuffed toy and toy collection many. It's from birthday present. Thank you for watching. I hope you like that many toys for from birthday present. Thank you for you guys. Bye.